guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I decided to sit down and do my makeup only using Huda Beauty makeup products. So you want to see how I accomplish this makeup look, just keep watching, and at the end of the video don't forget to subscribe and follow so you can see more videos of me later on. So today I'm gonna do my makeup only using Huda Beauty products. I already did my brows and my skincare off camera. The Overachiever concealer, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that on my eyelid to use as a eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first and then I will do the rest of my face. So for eyeshadow, I have here the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession. This is one of her mini palettes. I have other ones, but like I had used them before and I had never created like a entire look only using this palette. It looks like this. So let's see what we do today. I'm gonna get my little mirror. I'm gonna take this red color right here, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. And I'm going to go in with this color right here to darken the edges, the corner. I'm going to take this Sigma taper blending brush to blend more. So I added more of that color right there to darken the corner. I don't think I had ever done like a red eyeshadow look, so I'm excited. Graffiti Pro Flash Shader. This is my favorite brush to add like shimmer. I'm gonna take this color right here in the center. This color right here. I'm gonna go back with this color right here, right there, and I have here the diffuse crease by Sigma E38 brush. I'm gonna go back . Add more of that red right here in the corner. For primer, we have the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base, which is this right here. I don't know, maybe you guys are seeing it, I'm just being dramatic because my other camera, it will always be out of focus. Foundation, I have the Huda Beauty cream foundation high coverage in macchiato. This foundation is so full coverage. If you are looking for something very full coverage that will leave your face looking like a filter or like a Barbie or like a perfect human being, this foundation is the one. You guys see my face? Do you guys see it? Like how well covered, like it's like full coverage. Everything is hidden. That's the foundation. Then for concealer, the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer in Granola. Then I have this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking Setting Powder, and I bought it in the color Pound Cake. Pound Cake, it looks like this. What? Like I say, I'm new to this camera life. And I love Huda Beauty packaging. I already say that in my Sephora haul. Now I cannot even open this. Okay. Everything is Huda Beauty because this video is only using Huda Beauty stuff. I have the Tantor Contouring Bronzer Cream and the color Light. This is the packaging. It looks like this. Very sleek and tiny. I will use this Morphe G40 brush to do my contour, my cream contour. I have here the Sigma medium angle shading brush in E70. I normally never say my brushes, but I think I should start saying what brushes I'm using in case people are interested in getting them. I'm gonna contour my nose. Too much cream contour. The only thing I don't have from Huda Beauty is the lashes, and like because I do have highlight. You guys can tell that I really like Huda Beauty stuff that I have. I could do my whole face using Huda Beauty products. get the powder. Oh, you know what I don't have? Blush. Do she have blushes? I doubt it. Does she? I don't know. Take this powder and hopefully this will not break on me. I will do this color right here for my lower lashes. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara. I have these lashes that I'm very excited to try. It's from the brand Body Bee Lashes. They look like this. Then I had never tried them before. Patricia, a friend of mine, she said that they're good and she had them, so I went and bought 2 pairs. Actually, I bought this one that is called Baby Doll. This is the name. And then I have Body, which looks like this. So the one that I'm gonna try today is the Baby Doll one, which is this one. They look like that. So for mascara, I have the Essential Lash Princess, which is this one. It's very affordable, but it's a very good mascara. I'm normally not into mascara like that, but I have seen a lot of YouTubers recommending this. So I went for it and bought it on Amazon, and no regrets. It's wonderful. It makes your lashes look so big. Let them dry for a little bit. I don't have blush from Huda Beauty, but I have this Smashbox blush and highlight trio, so I'm gonna use this. I love this highlight, it's so pigmented, so I will use this color right here. That, let me apply my lashes real quick because sometimes I have the tendency of letting them dry for too long, and then when I try to put them on, then they don't stick. Lashes on. This is how they look. Now I'm gonna go on and apply setting spray. I have this one right here, the Glam Glow setting spray. Then for highlights, I have the Huda Beauty Winter Highlight Palette, which is this palette right here. And I will take, I'm so sad because one of the highlight broke on me, so you know what, I'm gonna take the Winter Rose. I can barely show you guys, which is that color right there. And but I have the NYX lip liner in brown. That's my favorite lip liner. Lipstick, and it's the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the color Wifey, which is this lipstick right here. I'm surprised that I only have one Huda Beauty lipstick. is my final look. I end up adding this Huda Beauty lip gloss in Angelic, which is this lip gloss right here. Let me see, I'm gonna zoom in so you guys get like a close-up look of how the makeup looks. Bye.